Welcome to Learn Languages, Part 51. Today we're talking about phrasal verbs. These are verbs made of two words, a verb plus a small word. That small word changes the whole meaning. Let's start with get up. Get up means to leave your bed in the morning. I get up at 7 every day. Simple, right? Now let's try give up. Give up means to stop trying something. Don't give up, you're doing great. The word give alone doesn't mean that. The word up completely changes the meaning. Now let's look at look for. Look for means to search for something. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? These three phrasal verbs are very common in daily life. Here are more examples in real sentences. She gave up chocolate for a month. He got up late and missed the bus. We're looking for a new apartment. Now here's something important about phrasal verbs. Some are separable, some are not. Look for is inseparable. You cannot split it. You say, I'm looking for my phone, not I'm looking my phone for. That's wrong. Give up can sometimes be split. I gave it up is correct. I gave up smoking is also correct. Let's review the three phrasal verbs from today. Get up, leave your bed or stand from a seat. Give up, stop trying, quit something. Look for, search for something or someone. Try using one of these today in a real sentence. Write it in the comments. I'd love to read it. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.